welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today is a video hop, and it is hosted by PM Artist Studio. That's Patricia and Mariah. I have this little card. They have a YouTube channel, a business, and a Facebook page. And the YouTube channel, they do lives 4 times a week, and mainly focusing on their stencils. They have PM Artist Studio stencils and foam stamps now, and they have designers that do some of the stencil designs, but a lot of their own anyway. I'll try to remember to put a link down below so you can check that out. But this is hosted by them, and they also have a Facebook page. So if you are interested in being part of the group, you can check them out on their YouTube channel or look into their Facebook page, because not all the creative people on there that are creating something for this hashtag has a YouTube channel. So a lot of their artwork will be in the Facebook page. So the hashtag for this particular hop is Get Your Crayons. And it's also under the hashtag Makers Creative Collab. All of them are under there. You'll find different hops and stuff. But once you see mine, there'll be a link at the end of the video that will take you to the next YouTuber that's creating something for this hop. And you can just keep going through them until you've been all the way through and come back to me. Or wherever you started. That's where you'll end. So the hashtag was Get Your Crayons, and I thought a lot about how I could incorporate their stencils, the gel plate, and crayons. This is what I came up with. This may be in 2 parts, or you may just see this and no finished project, or maybe I'll have pictures at the end. I don't know. I've got 2 more days till the video's due. So, and I've had these for 2 weeks, done for 2 weeks, and I can't figure out what I want to do with them. So, I'll move that aside, and you can see this one. This is actually just a cleanup print from the gel plate, so there's no crayons involved. And it's done on rice paper. So, the first thing I saw was these balls. They're origami balls. I did one out of a section of this rice paper. It took forever. It's too soft a paper. So, you know, I was thinking, oh, it'd be fun. You can make a whole bunch, have them dangling, whatever. Too hard. If I had regular paper or regular weight paper, that might work. But anyway, so project aside, this is what I created so far. And to incorporate the gel plate, I used the, I think Fran on the Edge designed the stencil. It's the stained glass turtle something. I don't remember. If I remember when editing this, I'll put the title at the bottom so you can see. I'll look for it. Anyway, so that's the cleanup. I have these upside down so you can't see. So what I decided to do was use rice paper because it's pretty thin, and gel print on it. And the first one I did was, oh, that's not really the first one. The first one I did is this one. So I put the stencil down. I just put white paint, put the stencil down, you know, picked up the white paint. And then the ghost print is this one that has the actual, you know, it's the negative, sort of. And then what I did was I turned it over and colored it with crayon. And it wasn't showing on this side. I'm like, it might have shown just very little, but it wasn't really showing. Then I took an iron to it and melted the crayons, the wax, so that it would soak all the way through. So that's how you get the bright color on there. And I did the same thing with this one, and I didn't really have in mind what I wanted. I was just aiming for the circles, but not really trying to be in each of the shapes. So that one's really random. And then this one, I figured there's no point in putting crayon where the black is, so I just went in the areas, just kind of picked color and melted the wax. And then this one is the ghost print of that one. And this one I was more specific about where I wanted the colors to line up, so they're a lot sharper than the white one, as you can see. And I think I got a lot heavier with the crayon on this one. I didn't get that one quite as heavy. And then melted it with an iron and some heat. And so, if this is the end of my project, of my video, make sure you check out the link so you can see everybody's creations, what they end up doing with this Get Your Crayon. And yeah, if you like what you see, think about subscribing, hit like, all that stuff. And if this is just part one of a two-part, yeah, that will be next. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. So I went with lanterns because I thought it would be quick and easy. So I've got a few pictures of them so you can see how they turned out. And I'll show them here in the dark as well. I put a couple of votives in there and lit them up. And sorry, my camera work is very shaky. I'm using an actual camera and not my phone, so it's a little bit more bulky. Harder to control. But yeah, make sure you check the link. Check out everybody's videos. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.